Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by measuring ingredients precisely because texture depends on ratios. Combine 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup Nutella, and 1/2 cup cream in a bowl. Soften the Nutella first so it blends. Use a blender or a vigorous whisk to emulsify. This helps prevent grainy pockets. Once combined, scrape sides, taste for sweetness, and add a tablespoon of sugar only if needed. Make sure the mixture is smooth and pourable. This sets the foundation for even freezing and a creamy popsicle. You refine flavor and texture now because small tweaks change the final result. Stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla and a pinch of salt to lift the chocolate notes. If you want richer depth, add 2 tablespoons cocoa powder or fold in chocolate chips for bite. Pulse or strain the mixture to remove any stubborn lumps. This prevents icy pockets. Once done, check viscosity. It should coat a spoon but still pour. If too thick, thin with a tablespoon of milk. If thin, chill briefly to firm up. You pour the blend into molds, tapping to remove air and then insert sticks centered. This ensures neat popsicles. Freeze for at least 6 hours or overnight for full firmness. To unmold, briefly run warm water over the mold for 10 to 20 seconds. This loosens edges without melting the center. If a pop becomes icy or grainy, don't discard it. Let it soften slightly. Whisk vigorously to reincorporate. Then refreeze. This re-emulsifies fats and reduces ice crystals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.